Alrighty, those are just my frozen macaroni and cheeses placed into my greased aluminum pan here. Now we're coming in with some heavy whipping cream. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that around the edges. This is gonna give us a really creamy texture to go with all of these delicious different macaronis. 2 cans diced tomatoes. Now we're just coming in with some diced yellow onions for flavoring. Now I've got some garlic powder. Now we're making a souped up special version. This is the potluck kind, something for everyone. We've got some macaronis with chicken. We've got some that are more Alfredo. This is just a little bit more onion powder because I find that it really does a duo with our chopped onions. We've got a little bit of paprika. This gives it a great color and just a nice pepper flavor overall. And for a little bit of spice, we've got some crushed red pepper flakes, but of course you can leave this out. Just depends on what you like. Now I'm coming in with some stovetop stuffing. I like this chicken flavor. And we're using 2 packages. And look at all those seasonings too. That's really gonna make this so flavorful, super, super delicious. Of course, we're gonna need something to moisten that up. So I am coming in with just some butter here. I've got a whole stick of butter and I'm just gonna slice this down into pats. You know what I always say, mo butter. And this is certainly one of those occasions. This is really fun for the holidays, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, if you're making a big potluck dish for church. And I got a second stick of butter here because we do have quite a bit of everything in our pan. You could add some bacon to this if you wanted, bacon bits. That would be super delicious. I mean, sometimes I even like to put like some instant mashed potatoes in with this just to kind of give it a nice thick starchy feel, and it just makes everything go, you know, spread longer. You can feed so many mouths with this. And who doesn't love macaroni and cheese? Now, because that stuffing is going to need a little bit of liquid to cook up, I am adding some chicken bone broth. Now, this one just happens to be organic, but you don't need to get that kind. I normally just like to get low sodium, whatever's on sale. And let's see, I used about 2/3 of this. All right, we've got some sharp cheddar here. I've got a 2-pound bag from Walmart, great value. And I'm going to use, let's see, most of this, if not all of it. Wow, this is looking so good. We just need a little tiny bit more. Couple of little spaces where we're not covered. There we go. Let's get it all on there. Looking good. Alrighty, I'm gonna wrap this in foil. We are gonna pop this in our oven at 350 for 1 hour. Alrighty, everybody. We had this in our oven for 1 hour. Look how amazing this looks. Oh my gosh, we've got all of our flavors in here, something for everyone. We just took this mac and cheese to the next level. This is like mac and cheese impossible. Tom Cruise is on a mission. Yum! Look how good this is. I got a special guest who's gonna give it a try. Andrew.
Ooh. Okay, you know I love my mac and cheese, so I'm excited for this one. Okay, let's get this nice and stirred.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can smell those flavors?
I
this
know.
is great. Okay. That stuffing flavor with the mac and cheese, it's like Thanksgiving in a bowl.
Yes.
You gotta try it.
You gotta try it.